L.J. Smith Stair Parts and L.J. Smith Stairway Installation Tools and Hardware? We can help you build a strong stair system more efficiently. L.J. Smith now offers 16 tools that will make your job easier while building a sturdier stair system. We want to take you from this to this. All it takes is a supply of L.J. Smith stair parts, a systems catalog, and your stairway installation tools and hardware. We offer the Chuck Buster, which quickly connects and releases many tools. It will save you time by eliminating additional drills and the repeated use of a time-wasting chuck key. Use the handy rail bolt runner, which is a drill attachment with machine threads, to drive the rail bolt into handrails, fittings, newels, and walls. Then use the rail bolt installer, which locates, starts, and tightens the hex nut onto the rail bolt. Our bore buster will drastically improve the quality and speed of handrail installation. The use of these tools, combined with the finest quality L.J. Smith stair parts, will provide you with a beautiful stair system. This video will address various ways of using the L.J. Smith tools and hardware line to install balusters, railings, fittings, and newel posts. Let's begin with the balusters. It is necessary to mark the balustrade center line on all treads. This will also center your newel posts. One way to center the baluster is to use a tape measure. On an open tread, the center line should be 1/2 of the baluster square in from the face of the stringer. Now you can use the L.J. Smith C88 centerline tool. This tool is designed for quick and accurate determination of baluster center lines on the treads of open stairs. The C88 can also be used for marking the center point of the second baluster. When it's time to drill the holes in the treads for the balusters, you can use a spade bit with your chuck buster, or use a technique that will give you a significantly stronger system. By cutting off the dowel pins and using the L.J. Smith Centaur, you can center a hole in the baluster base for the dowel screws. Then use the dowel runner, which is a drill attachment with lag screws. It drives dowel screws into baluster bases. Then take the L.J. Smith dowel fast tap. This drills and taps holes for ease of tightening dowel screwed balusters into treads and landing tread. Next, you need to trim the balusters to length on an open tread stair. You can do this by using a tape measure and plumb from the top of the tread to the rail. Measure up to your rail, allowing for a 3/4 inch insertion into the handrail and a 3/4 inch insertion into the tread. Our alternative is to use a telescoping baluster marking tool. This tool is used for marking baluster locations beneath handrails. It is equipped with a bubble level, rule, and 1/2 by 5/8 inch extension. It will also extend from 28 inches to 42 inches. Now let's move to the newel post, since they are the primary support of any balustrade system. Newel posts are recommended at the beginning, at the end, and at all changes of direction. The L.J. Smith hardware line offers you 7 different ways to install a newel. One method would be the use of the L.J. Smith 3004. It is quicker and equally strong as any current system. A 1-inch steel insert is inserted into the floor. The hanger bolt is installed into the newel. Then turn the newel into the insert. L.J. Smith also offers a key-lock newel post fastener, newel mounting plate, newel post anchor, Sure-Tight newel fastening system, a threadlock newel post fastener, and a toggle bolt mounting kit. A particular kit may or may not be suitable for some applications. Another piece of installation hardware to make your job easier is the flush mount kit. This is used to fasten the handrail to newels in flush mount applications. A simple way to measure for rail bolts is to use the L.J. Smith T92 rail bolt installer. The T92 centers the hole for drilling on your rail and fittings. Using the L.J. Smith rail bolt runner, you can easily drive the wood screw into the fitting. Let's move on to handrail fittings. It is necessary to level all fittings to ensure correct installation on your stairway. Using the L.J. Smith rail fitting level and double-face tape, you can be sure your fitting is in the proper position. The use of a rail bolt is necessary to attach handrail to handrail, fittings, newels, walls, or fittings to fittings. When you are ready to join the rail and the fitting together, use the L.J. Smith wood glue. This is an aliphatic resin in a pressure point syringe providing neat and accurate placement of glue. After the fitting and rail have been connected, you can use the L.J. Smith scraper tools. They are designed to smooth profiles at the connection. This unique tool can be used on all portions of the rail. Our final discussion will address the L.J. Smith handrail. Remember that the L.J. Smith rail has a unique feature. The bottom of the rail has a centerline groove to help you locate the center for drilling balusters. When it comes time to drill holes in the rail for your balusters, it is recommended that an angle drill guide with a spade bit be used to ensure the proper angle when drilling. A second alternative, if a guide is not available, is to set the handrail upside down on the stair with the starting newel end of the handrail pointing up the stairs. However, this will often produce holes which are out of round and are not plumb. L.J. Smith is proud to introduce a third alternative, which we feel is the best. This is the L.J. Smith Bore Buster. The Bore Buster increases the quality and speed of handrail installation. This tool bores precision perpendicular or angled holes in straight or curved wooden handrails. The Bore Buster is lightweight but tough. It has precision pitch controls and fits the 6010, 6210, 6519, 6109, and the 6400 profiles. It will permit fast and accurate rail bolt holes to be drilled. Before you apply stain to your finished stair, don't forget to use L.J. Smith Real Wood Water-Based Putty. It fills defects, cracks, and nail holes very neatly. It comes in an easy-to-use pressure point syringe. Rounding out the L.J. Smith hardware line are the rail and post fasteners, tapered plugs, solid brass wall rail brackets, and the dowel fast screws. So when you combine the use of L.J. Smith stair parts and our stairway installation tools and hardware, you can have a beautiful finished stairway that's easy to install and will last a lifetime. Thanks for your interest. Call your local supplier or L.J. Smith for more details.